is Veena from Atta Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Here's where you'll find quick and tasty recipes for new cooks and those with less time to spend in the kitchen. Okay then, let's get cracking with today's recipe. Welcome back. Today at Atta Cake, let's make some tasty Goan coconut chutney sandwiches. These soft, moderately spicy and flavorful treats are hugely popular as party snacks. The Goan coconut chutney has a unique blend of spicy, sweet and tangy flavors that makes it different from other coconut chutneys. It can also be used as a dip. The chutney needs just a few ingredients, has an appetizing bright green color and can be made in minutes. So let's start making our Goan coconut chutney sandwiches right away, right here at Atta Cake. We'll begin making the chutney by heating a teaspoon of oil. To it, we'll add half of a medium-sized onion that has been sliced lengthwise. Here's the other half of the onion I've used. This should give you an idea of the size of the original onion. We'll roast the onion on medium heat for around 2 minutes or till it begins to brown. I've transferred the roasted onion back to the same bowl. Now let's check out the rest of the ingredients. Here's the onion we just roasted. And here we have 1 tightly packed cup of thoroughly washed and drained coriander leaves, a quarter cup of similarly washed pudina or mint leaves, this is optional, 3/4 of a cup of grated fresh coconut, and a small ball of tamarind, about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. I've removed the stringy stuff from the tamarind so we can grind it smoothly. These are 5 medium spicy small green chillies, each around 3 inches in length. You can add more chillies later while grinding the chutney if you want to make it spicier. And then we have 3 large cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoons of our secret Goan chutney ingredient, sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. We'll add some more later on if needed. Now let's chop the garlic, green chillies, mint leaves, and coriander leaves. I'll add all of this to my grinder jar along with the cumin seeds, tamarind, salt, sugar, and the fried onion. From the quarter cup of water I have here, I'm adding just half the quantity to the grinder jar. I'll now grind this and be back. Now let's add the grated coconut and the rest of the water. I'll grind the chutney and then add more salt, sugar or green chillies to adjust the taste if necessary. Here's our freshly ground chutney. I only needed to add half a teaspoon more of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar and around 3 tablespoons of water. But don't add too much of water because it shouldn't be too thin. See that the chutney has a nice, thick, spreading consistency. I'll now transfer the chutney to a bowl. Its volume is around 3/4 of a cup. That should be sufficient for making around 20 to 25 sandwiches depending on the size of the bread slices. This is the texture we want. Now let's make some delicious chutney sandwiches. I'm using a mix of white and brown bread. I thought I'd do something different. Here I have 3 slices of white bread. Let's butter all 3. I'll apply chutney liberally on the first slice and on the third one. Now let's upturn the second slice on the first one, butter the top of the second slice, and then upturn the third slice on it. Let's cut off the edges and then make a diagonal cut to get 2 double sandwiches. Let's repeat the same procedure with the 3 brown bread slices. Our soft, delicious Goan chutney sandwiches are ready to dig into. Wasn't that easy? It took barely a few minutes to assemble them. Hope you'll try out my recipe. And let's have some feedback, folks. I would love to hear from you. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And do stop by again for yet another quick and tasty recipe. Till then, take care. Happy cooking!